Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have come with an interesting topic that how we can win the trading challenge of Sri College of Commerce. In this video, I have come with an interesting strategy to win the trading challenge of Sri College of Commerce. The strategy can keep you in 1% of the top of the leaderboard. The strategy is very simple and easy to use. So without wasting your time, I will explain with the chart. Initially open the TradingView chart. Initially open the TradingView browser. So as per the norms given by the Sri College of Commerce, we will be working only on the equity segment. So there is no concept of future and option in this segment. So here we can buy and short sell the positions of equity stocks. So it is better to work on the Nifty 50 index because these companies will have huge liquidity and cash flow in them. So whenever we see a movement or whenever we see an opportunity in them, then there will be exact movement. There will be no faulty movements. So Nifty 50 companies are such as SBI Bank, HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, Tata Industries, Adani Group of Industries, etc. etc. So we can work on any of these companies and we can make a good amount of profit daily. So for the explanation purpose, I am opening the chart of Reliance Industries. This is the chart of Reliance Industries. So this is a chart of Reliance Industries. Here, keep the time frame as 5 minutes and click on the indicator section and apply a single indicator, that is MACD. That is moving averages, convergence, divergence. It looks somewhat clumsy, but it is very easy to use and understand and gives a good amount of profit. So here, whenever we want to buy a position, we need to see that the blue line intersecting the orange line from the below and started moving above the orange line. In this case, if you see here, blue line was trading below orange line and it has intersected here and started moving above orange line. In this scenario, we need to have a buy position. So if we consider it was around 2500, it is 2500 level, and within a 15 minutes it had moved all up to 2516, consider as 15 points. So in this way you can scalp points easily. In a time frame of 15 minutes you are able to scalp 15 points. I will explain entire strategy and method how we can gain a good amount of profit using this. Let us understand one more scenario where we can short sell the positions. See here, short selling the position. Uh, keep in the mind straightforward that short selling is buying the red candles. See here the blue line was here, the red line was trading below the blue line and it had intersected around here and it had started moving above blue line. So whenever the orange line intersects the blue line and started moving above the blue line, then we need to have a short sell position. So in this case, it had touched the blue line here and started moving above blue line. So consider this point. Here it was around 2491 and we need to sell the positions whenever it again touches the blue line. So in this case, if you consider, in this case it had touched somewhere here. So it had touched here somewhere here. It was around 2461. So roughly we can consider as 30 points. In the same way, here also we can wait until the blue line touches the red line. So in this way you can scalp points easily. Otherwise you can have a stop loss so that we will be not making a huge losses. If you bought a 2500, just keep a stop loss at 2498 so that you will be not making a huge amount of losses and you will be maintaining a good amount of risk management system. So I will explain the max. So I'm opening the calculator. So as per the contest rules, there will be given 10 lakh rupee virtual money. So consider the share price as 2500. We will be getting around 400 shares. In the second trade, in the first trade, we have captured around 15 points. It had made up to 6,000. In the same way, if we consider in the second scenario, we had made on around 30 points. We have made around 30 points. So it will be around 12,000. So in a single stock, we are able to make 20,000 every day. So in the same way, we can place the orders in different stocks. Like we can take 2 to 3 stocks, good stocks, and we can trade in them, and we can gain a good amount of profit. Let us understand one with another example. Consider the chart of Zomato Limited, right? See here, until here, orange line was dominating the blue line. Here, blue line started dominating the orange line and started moving above. So we need to hold the position till again they intersect each other. So it had moved all up to here. So it was, we are bought somewhere here. It was like 83, 84 level, and consider we have sold it 94. It is roughly 10 points. And the share price, consider the share price as, let us consider the share price as 100 rupees for the calculation purpose. So if we consider as 100 rupees, we will be getting around 10,000 shares. We will be getting around 10,000 shares, and multiplied by, consider we are able to gain 10 points. So we are able to make 1 lakh rupee in a single trade. So in this way, you can scalp points easily in a good stock, and we can be in the top 1%. So if we consider we are able to scalp around 30,000 rupees daily, then the contest is for 7 days. But the competition, but the markets are open for only 5 days. If we consider 13 to 5, it is like 1,50,000. But in some days we will be making somewhat less money. So consider as 1 lakh rupees. With a capital of 10 lakh rupees, we are able to make 1 lakh. So it can be considered as a good return. It is 10% ROI. If we think we have 1 crore, then we will be making around 10 lakh rupee in a week. So it can be considered as a good ROI as per the market. We can consider same scenario in the banks. Like if we have fixed deposit of 10 lakh in the bank, then at the end of the year the banks will be giving only 4 to 5% rate of interest. But in this scenario we are making about 10% in a single week. So it can be considered as a great return, and we will be damn sure that we will be in the top 1% of the leaderboard. The major advantage of this strategy is we will be not making heavy losses or huge amount of stop losses. We will be having a small stop loss, and we will be having a huge target. In this way, we will be getting a good amount of profit. So for more such content, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.